Hey everyone, I'm back with another unboxing. This time I have the Apple Airpods. These are the wireless headphones that Apple makes. And it came out with the new iPhone 10, I believe, at the same time. So you get the headphones, the two headphones right here, and this charging base right here. What's really neat is you get 5 hours of listening time, but if you really are low on battery, if you charge it for like 15 minutes, I believe they said it will give you up to like 3 more hours of charging time. So I think that's pretty neat. You can't question Apple's design because they're one of the best in the industry. So I actually picked this up for my wife because she edits videos as well. She has her own channel. It's called Got Plants, and I'll put a link to it in the description. But she edits videos and she just looks kind of funny, I think, when she's wearing my bulky noise canceling headphones. So you know, it's Mother's Day. I got her a bunch of plants and things like that, but I figured I'd get her these too. So I picked this up at Costco. I believe it was like $140 or $145. And then plus tax and shipping. And I got it in like 3 days. So these are rarely, if ever, on sale. But Costco is one of the cheapest places you can buy this from a reputable place. So I'm really excited to unbox this, and I think she's really excited to use it. So go ahead and get something to open this. And I don't know if it comes pre-charged or not. Usually Apple products do come with a little bit. So here it is. This is what the back looks like. The front. Sides. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Designed by Apple in California. It's just like the iPhone packaging. Look at this little thing. Look how cool that looks. It's like a little UFO pod here. So here it is. Pull that. Open it on the side. And this is small enough for her to keep in her purse. Crack it open, and look at that. Look at that. Oh look, the light is already on. And I like how it snaps right back closed, like it's like magnetic. So let's see what else is in here. So you got Airpods and a bunch of mumbo jumbo. And there's basically 3 steps to get this set up. You turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. You put your Airpods close to it with the lid open, and then you start listening. Oh my God. How much easier can it get? So I'm gonna take my wife's phone. And her Bluetooth should be on. Let me see. No, it's not. Good thing I checked. So here's our phone. I'm gonna make sure I can see this here. Here's our phone. I'm gonna open this lid. I'm gonna put it close to it. Look at that, guys. Airpod, it already detected it. I just hit connect. That's it. So this has the earphones itself has 82%, and the charging base has 76%. How awesome is that? Oops. Once you close it, it's gone. Look, it already knows it's Sandy's AirPods. So let me take them out. There's one, there's two. Wow, these feel great in the hands. And once you put them on, they start playing, and when you take them off, they pause. There's a R for right, and the other one has an L. See that? These feel great. So I'm actually going to put these on. Okay. And I automatically hear something to signify that it recognizes that I have it in my ears and it's on right now. See? Okay. And let's just play some Spotify. Oh, I hear it. Wow. So let me activate Siri by double tapping it. Wait, where is it? I missed. Why are apples delicious? Okay, awesome. So these are pretty cool. I don't know any other gestures, but it does say if this is green that is fully charged, if it's red it's not fully charged. And if you want to pair it with anything else, you just put the AirPods in here and open the lid and it's ready for pairing. Let me see. Here's the lightning cable. So here's another lightning cable. Excellent. So I just want to show you one other thing. When you're ready to put these back, you open the lid and you put these in and it kind of sucks it in for you. It's magnetic. It just sucks it in. Watch. Like it's nice and solid. So you know it's in. You just kind of have to drop it. Magnetic. Doesn't drop. That's pretty cool. And now it's red, indicating that it's charging the AirPods. When you close it, it's magnetic as well. See that? Just pulls it in. So I took one of these off and it paused playing. And it's playing again now that I put it back in. Does it work on the other side? Yeah, either side that you take off, it'll pause it. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I like it a lot. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you have any questions, let me know. I've also ordered some cheaper versions of these on Amazon just to compare them and see if these are really worth it or not. So be sure to subscribe and get notified so that you don't miss that video. But otherwise, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, everyone.